Welcome to the 1 hour Salesforce Reporting Crash Course. My name is Brian Hayes, and I'll be your instructor. I'm a consultant at Rotive, an official Salesforce partner, and I hold 7 certifications. At Rotive, we worked with hundreds of small businesses to help them implement Salesforce and leverage its best features. We've taken what we've learned from working with clients and compressed it down into an efficient course to get you up and running with reports and dashboards as quickly as possible. Salesforce can be overwhelming, and most people don't have time to become experts in it. We've structured this course to give you the information you need to develop effective reports and dashboards that help you understand and improve your business. We'll go through selecting the right report type, creating filters and grouping data, adding charts to the reports, and putting it all together in the form of dashboards. I'll explain how to use the features and best practices while we build out an opportunity dashboard together. This course is for the beginner. It helps to have some experience with Salesforce, but you do not need to be a system administrator. You don't even have had to create a report or dashboard in the past. We'll go through those fundamentals for you. If you consider yourself an advanced user of analytics within Salesforce, I wouldn't recommend this course to you. You'd probably still get value from our bonus advanced lessons, but we really focus on getting the basics right. So if you want to build effective reports and dashboards that help you understand and improve your business, then sign up for our 1 hour reporting crash course today. I'll see you in the first lesson.